Wait, please.
Press the green arrow to begin the tutorial, human.
Press the number keys 1 through 9 to switch camera angle. Press the arrow keys to rotate the camera. Mouse wheel or plus minus keys to zoom camera. Hold Alt and press the arrow keys to move the camera. Hold Alt and mouse wheel or plus minus to move the camera in and out. Hold Shift plus left arrow or right arrow for Dutch angles. Hold Alt and left click somewhere in the scene and the camera will look at that point. Hold Alt and right click to smooth zoom in. Hold Alt and middle click to smooth zoom out.
Read the fucking manual to learn more camera functions.
Press the letter keys to change the actor's animations. Keys Q through P play full body animations. Keys A through L play upper body animations. Keys Z through M play lower body animations. Combine animations on all 3 layers and people will like you. If you press a key, the animation will play. If you hold the key down, the animation freezes. Press whatever these fucking keys are to try some human effect. Press the space bar to jump badly. Press Shift plus Z to reset the actor's ragdoll. You're going to be doing this a lot cause shit's all fucked up. Left click the floor and the actor will walk to that point. Hold Shift then left click and the actor will look at the camera. Hold Control and left click something in the scene and the actor will look at it. Hold Shift plus Control plus press Q to reset look at position. That's too many fucking keys. Read the fucking manual to learn more actor functions. Hold Control plus Shift and use the mouse wheel to control the speed of time. Hold Control plus Shift and right click or press Alt to reset the speed of time. Click near a toilet to walk over and stand next to it. Click the toilet and you'll sit on it. Click the toilet again to stop sitting on it. You can sit on chairs, stools, tables, and other objects as well. I'm really busy, but I'll show you one more thing. Press the Return or Enter key to open the scene menu. Click the Scene Editor button on the top right and wait. Hold right mouse button plus click and drag to rotate the camera. Hold middle mouse button plus click and drag to move camera. Use the mouse wheel to zoom the camera in and out. Click an object icon in the lousy level editor on the bottom of the screen. Hold Alt and left click in the scene to spawn the selected object. Hold Ctrl and left click the object you just spawned to delete it. Hold Alt and left click in the scene to spawn another object. Hold space and left click the object you just spawned to select it. Use the W, E, and R keys to switch between the move, scale, and rotate tools. Click the OK to save your crap in the scene. Press the return or enter key to go back to the scene. Read the fucking manual to learn more Nightmare Puppeteer functions. The developer is not smart enough to build in a video recorder, so use OBS or a similar program to record your nightmare scenes. The developer went to USA public school, so he sometimes gets 2 + 2 wrong. I'm busy and have to go now. Press the escape key and click the button on the lower right to leave this tutorial. Good luck, Puppeteerian, and may God have mercy on your soul for the animated acts you are about to commit.